smelling, Nick. What do I say?
I don't know, just start making jokes, you know, act like you're at school or something, I don't know.
Give me the gun.
Alright, now continue.
So before I start talking about whatever butt-fuck stupid retarded topic I'm talking about today, being the month of October, I'm gonna be like every edgy 12-year-old out there. I'm just gonna more of this for the rest of the month of October, okay? Today's topic that I kind of want to get into is my life as a theft. I've had many encounters. I've ran from cops from 8 o'clock at night running from Kmart with stolen fidget spinners. That's right. These fidget spinners, all right here. Fuck.
Want some black food?
No, but there's a story behind each and one of the 6 of them. I'll be talking about how I stole them and the origin behind it, like exactly what happened. So, let's see. This one right here. This little golden one. Stole from my stepsister. So fuck it. She doesn't need one. She got this one in an arcade. Fuck that thing. I got this one from the same arcade she went to, okay? This one I actually stole. So, you know, fidget spinners are like $5 to like $10. It's crazy. It's like $1,000 ones. Like, the fuck? Just do what I do. Just steal it. It's a fidget spinner. No one's gonna give a fuck. But I just went up to a machine. I paid $5. I won it from an arcade machine and stole it for 50 cents. 50 cents.
It's not stealing.
On to the next one. So, let's see. This one right here. This is America. Fucking no. Anyways, I stole this one from Kmart. And exactly what happened was I was with some type of faggot. So I stole this one from Kmart. Basically, it was like 8 o'clock at night and stop spinning it. I was like, hey Aiden, you think I could take this? And he goes, why the fuck do you want to take a fidget spinner? What are you? A failed abortion? This one right here, okay? This one, the silver one, I kind of like it because it's like different in shape and it's all shiny. I can see myself kind of. That's besides the point. The one thing I love more about this than its erotic shape is this exotic sound it makes. I'm just gonna scooch a little closer. Just how erotic this sound is. Just listen. Oh man, it's just. The origin behind this one is. Still is from my friend Evan. He just gave it to me. Yes, this one. The juice spinner. You know, right here. It's all money and everything. I think this is the first one I stole. It was when I went to the Barnstable County Fair. I went to a stand and there was just... It was like nice jewelry and everything. But the first thing you noticed when you went to that stand was a table of fidget spinners. Last one, let's go. What the fuck is this? Here we go. This one. Ow! This is worse than the silver one. What the fuck? So, no, story time. This one, the same night as probably about like 3 of these. At the mall with Aiden. I got it from Route 21, end of topic.